friends, my name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and welcome back to season 2 of the summer vacation sewing series. For today's video, I am excited to share what I made for episode number 4 of the summer vacation sewing series, which is my final look in the series as well. If you don't know anything about this series, the summer vacation summer series is a series that I have on my channel, as well as Cherie of Cherie Thomas, because we are doing this in collaboration with each other. But this is a series where we showcase 4 different items each to give you a total of 8 different patterns that you can sew up to help complete your summer vacation or even a winter vacation if you plan to vacation in a hot climate. The pieces that we chose are ones that we deem as essential, classy yet comfortable and stylish pieces that will be perfect for your vacation, especially if you plan to go to a resort. So yes, we are focused on resorts for this season. So if you need some inspiration for your next summer sewing projects, or like I've said in the other videos, if you simply just want to see what we made and what we plan to wear, please watch both of our videos, and I have provided a link in the description box with the playlist of all of our makes, and all of the full videos do come along with a detailed pattern review. So definitely make sure you check out Cherie's channel after you watch this video. So far in this series, Cherie and I have made summer dresses. We made a beach jumpsuit. I made a sarong skirt, and Cherie made a bathing suit. And today we are excited to share a 2-piece set. So for my make today, my set I should say, I made a matching tunic and pant by using Simplicity 8924 that I absolutely love. Just love it, and it is perfect for a nice walk out on the beach at night, on the boardwalk, or just sitting in the sand watching the sunset. All of those things. Okay, so let me give you a little bit more information about 2-piece beach sets. A 2-piece beach set is a set of clothes that consists of 2 separate matching parts that consist of maybe a top, skirt, pant, shorts, and even a jacket or a cardigan. Most pieces are made of breathable and flowy fabrics that are suitable for hot summer days. So I decided to use this pattern, which is Simplicity 8924, because in my opinion, I feel like it is super classy, chic, and it's definitely relaxing. I had many different patterns to choose from for a 2-piece set, but I like this one, and I feel like it was the most versatile because you can wear this for a stroll on the beach, to a resort dinner. You can wear this to attend a resort wedding, and just to lounge, especially if you use different types of fabrics. This pattern can go a long way. So let's talk about the details of the pattern. Again, this is Simplicity 8924, and the pattern description is women's jacket, top, tunic, and pull-on pants. There are 4 views to this pattern, and this is a very good staple pattern in my opinion, because it has so much potential with the 4 simple patterns that come along with it, and they can all be easily hacked. So the fabric recommendations are going to be your cotton lawn, your gauze, handkerchief, linen, voile, and washed silk. I do not know what washed silk is, but it is on the back of the pattern. So the fabric that I use is a polyester bubble that was gifted to me from Morex Fabric, and when I first saw it and I laid it out, it kind of I felt like I'm not really sure, like it's not ugly, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing yet. And I had to really think about it, and then when I was going through my 2-piece patterns, it spoke to me, and that is what I use. This fabric right here, let me show you what it looks like up close. The camera's kind of darkening, but this is what it looks like. And I also put up pictures, but this is what it looks like up close, and it has a texture to it. If you cannot see it, I think you can see it now. It has a texture to it. It has greens, yellow, and like the cream color with huge flowers. And Morex fabric is known for their larger prints, but yes, it, you know, just very nice fabric. And in my opinion, I feel like it's perfect for the beach. It's airy, it's easy to work with, it's lightweight, and it has, like I said, a stretch to it, and that particular stretch resembles gauze, but you know, like I said, I just really love it. And I love how when I was taking my photos, it just nicely would blow in the wind and things like that. So definitely I will find the link, and I will link it down below if you are interested. But the skill level to this pattern is on the website is rated as average, but I will say I personally feel that this pattern is beginner friendly. So I guess it would say easy if I personally ranked it, but again, that's my own personal opinion. When I first started sewing, I found Mimi G, and after a while I joined her Sew It Academy, and I worked on the first few projects that she had. And all of those first projects you know, were first like the glasses case, and then when she started going into the garments, she would teach what she called her beginner friendly classes, and all the techniques that were applied to the construction of those patterns that were used within Mimi's courses were used within this pattern, and they didn't go beyond that. Mine is using bias tape to finish the neck line here in the armholes. And in my personal opinion, I don't think that is a hard skill to learn. So that is why I feel that this pattern could have been rated easy. So yeah, definitely want to pick this up because it's one of those staple patterns. For the pattern pieces, I used 2 pattern pieces for the top and 4 pattern pieces to make the pants. And there is an elastic guide for the pants as well, but I didn't count that because I didn't sew anything with it. I just cut the elastic. The top has a front and a back, and that is it. There are no bust darts, so this top is pretty much just straight up and down, minus the side slits that are needed because this is rather long and you don't want to like feel like you're walking all stiff and everything like that. And plus it gives it an extra flair, so love that. The pants has a front, back, pockets, and the waistband, and just everything just came together beautifully. The notions that you are going to need is going to be thread, bias tape, and a 1-inch elastic to thread through the waistband for the pants. And the pattern sizing comes in size 6 to 24. I cut a size 20 for the tunic because that's the size that matched my bust, and for the pants I cut a size 18, and I do feel like it looks like the pattern cover. Even if it didn't, I love it. Okay. The pattern instructions were super duper easy. There were like no hiccups, nothing to think about, just easy peasy, lemon breezy. Okay. The things that I liked about this pattern, I like the chic style of it and how easy it was to put together, how easy it is to wear on the body, and how versatile overall it is, and how hackable it is. I have been reading Mimi G's book, and she's just showing and teaching you how to hack different patterns, and this is one that you can certainly apply those methods to. And the other thing I like about this is I think it gives the rich auntie vibe. Okay. So there was nothing that I disliked about the pattern. Obviously I didn't learn anything new, no first time techniques or anything like that, but it's still just wonderful to have it in my stash. I did make an alteration, as you can see on the pattern here. This is the pattern. At the bottom of the pants it looks rolled up, and that's because the pant legs are really long. And based off of the pattern looking like that, I believe they did that on purpose so that you could roll that up. But when you look at the models, hers just has like a 1-inch hem or 1.5-inch hem there. So I pretty much made mine to be like the model because I didn't want to roll mine up. And I have long legs, and I usually have to add about 2 inches to all of my pants, so I did do that this time, only to have to cut off a total of 5 inches. So if I had not added the extra 2 inches, I would have only had to cut off 3 inches. So that would have been my alterations. I would have had to cut off 3 inches in order to get the regular hemmed look versus the rolled up look. So yes, overall, I definitely recommend this pattern. This is, like I said, it's such a great pattern, easy to wear. It came out in 2020, and this is still available to purchase on the Simplicity website, or you can pick it up at your local Joann's or Hobby Lobby. And I did pair my outfit with my pearls. I have my pearl dangling earrings and 2 different pearl necklace sets here. And then I also wore my sandals, my gold sandal slides. So now I will enter a few more pictures and twirls of me in my 2-piece beach outfit. So please let me know what your thoughts are about this pattern and my 2-piece set in the comment section below. You know I love to hear your thoughts, and also let me know what your thoughts are about the series. I truly appreciate everyone that has come back to watch this series, you know, and supporting the series. Thank you so much. And we will definitely be doing this again next year, so stay tuned. I am getting ready to end this video, but before I do, again, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the like button and the subscribe button if you have not done so already, so that you can be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your support, and please make sure that you go over to Cherie's channel to watch her video, and I will see you in the next one.